Exposing the drama in Zimbabwean parliament. MP Caston Matewu has been shown the door, and the controversy is real. MP Caston Matewu of Tshabangu has released a video, voicing his outrage after being briefly kicked out of parliament. His offense? Accusing Monica Mutsvangwa of lying about the condition of women in Zimbabwe. Matewu's fiery words sparked a clash, but there's more to this than meets the eye. Despite his fervor, Matewu has stayed silent on false accusations made by Sengezo Tshabangu and Welshman Nkube against Nelson Chamisa. Not a word about the illegal takeover of the CCC party by these figures, allegedly for the benefit of ZANU-PF. Is Matewu choosing his battles selectively? This incident highlights the deeply fragmented state of Zimbabwean politics, where truth and loyalty often clash. As the drama unfolds, one has to wonder, who benefits from these political skirmishes? And what does it mean for the future of the nation? Stay tuned as we continue to uncover the layers of this political saga. Zimbabwe is watching, and so are we.